Nan, babo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Mark Cunanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. And that is you guys. For today's vlog, Jan, for a long time, di ba?
Yes. So ngayon, it will be a Samgyupsal day.
Yes.
So after matagal
Really,
na panahon,
really long time, yes.
this will be the first Samgyupsal natin after quarantine.
Yeah, so again, let me just repeat what Jan said. No, this is our first Samgyupsal restaurant dito sa new normal series natin.
Yes.
So if you know this, guys, this is on a roof.
Yeah.
So pangalan po ng restaurant natin today is Samgyupsaroof. So if you're interested to know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so there you have it, guys. Again, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Although, please accept our apology kasi medyo open area tayo. I mean, that is the essence of this restaurant, no? So if you are looking for parang talagang sabakan sa pagkain, you're gonna be here. This is on a roof.
Yes.
Yeah, so from the name itself, it's called Samgyupsaroof. Actually, so once in a while, you get to hear that, you know, a beep or a muffler, pero you'll get to parang neglect them kasi you're gonna focus on your food. Super duper. Anyway, so let us introduce yung mga katulad nun. Anyway, so let's introduce the food, no? For the regular menu, so they have unlimited pork. They also have unlimited pork and beef, pure beef. If you are to ask me, guys, siguro go for the pork and beef.
Yeah.
Sunit yun. Anyway, so you get 5 dishes for the regular Samgyupsal. And then meron din naman silang mga a la carte.
Yeah. So sa a la carte nila, meron silang mga kimbap. Meron din tayong kimchi kimbap. And at the same time, meron tayong samji kimbap.
Like I said, guys, if you're looking for just for a place for talagang masasatisfy yung unlimited cravings mo, take note na yung dining time nila dito is an hour and a half. I think for an hour and a half, talagang busog na busog ka na.
Yes.
For safety, someone's gonna cook for you. That's an add-on. Talagang kakain ka na lang. Mag-enjoy ka na lang sa pagkain mo. Alright. I wanna try first itong kanilang, this is a kimchi kimbap. Alright. So kasama natin ngayon si Daryl, isa sa mga editors natin sa We're in Pampanga. Annyeonghaseyo.
So another ano lang nila is yung mga egg rolls nila. So this is a la carte. You could order it separately dun sa mismong unlimited natin. Kung gusto mo naman mag-rice, meron silang bokkyum rice. So yung bokkyum rice is a kimchi rice.
Kimchi rice. So, grabe, guys, this huge dish right here, I guess it's shareable for 4 persons.
Yeah.
And additional to that, guys, syempre pagkakain ka sa Samgyupsal, most of the time, you're gonna, you know, focus on the meat. I'm an egg guy, so I'm gonna get the egg here.
So if you want some soup naman, so meron din silang dito kimchi soup at yung cheesy tteokbokki.
On a cold, you know, weather such as this, isa sa mga reward natin sa sarili natin is a hot steaming soup. So we're gonna try it. There you go. Oh, that's hot. Literally, plus yung spiciness niya. It's really hot. Isa rin sa mga favorite ko dito is yung cheese tteokbokki nila. So let's try kung this is really cheesy. And voila, check that out. Cheesy instead. Sabi nga ni Jan, every once in a while, nakakamiss din yung Samgyupsal sa labas, di ba? So hopefully when, you know, everything turns normal, everything turns back to the way it used to be. Let's enjoy yung mga ganitong kind of places. Yeah. So this is our second set with Kuya cooking for us, no? Again, we would like to thank Samgyupsaroof for inviting us. So they are open from 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday. You can also do reservation sa fan page nila, so you can also do that. This is located near AUF, no? I think just 10 meters away from AUF. Siguro yun yung pinaka-landmark na we can suggest yun na makikita nyo to.
So there you have it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, tag mo yung friend mo na nag-crave ng Samgyupsal.
Samgyupsal na tayo, babe.
So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye. Kuya.
Enjoy.